Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, the sun has not yet risen. It's 5:30 in the morning a.m. and we're hopefully looking at hooking up on a huge bass. There are largemouth bass in here, there are smallmouth bass. We're targeting both species today. The differences are that largemouth have a bigger mouth, that's why they're called a largemouth. Smallmouth bass have smaller mouths, that's why they're called smallmouth. Anyways, I'm about to grab my bait caster, drop the new setup in, check out this new Minn Kota. It's the 65-pound thrust. It's clean as ever. It's been an absolute gem. Attachment, the deck, everything's been amazing. I'm excited to drop in right now. I'm not gonna talk anymore. Let's start fishing. Wow. Nice, babe. Nice. Nice. One sec. Got him. Yeah. Here, you stand on this side right there. Oh my gosh. Don't move. Nice fish. Heck yes. Looks like we're making an episode, baby. Mm-hmm. Good job.
Oh gosh.
Jeez. Nice, babe.
Are you kidding me?
Nice, babe.
Are you kidding me?
And these tube jigs.
Yes, a shit ton of twitch tail.
Yeah, shit ton. Getting a charter if you go to... Babe, got one. Yep. I just turned it on. It's a nice one. All right, green as the first hit. He's coming up right here, babe. Dang, right in the net. That was fast. All right, guys, look at this healthy little smallmouth bass. So we had kind of stopped getting bites for a second, and I checked out a green little pumpkin tube jig, and he smashed it.
He's
little guy. Nice. Get him. Ah!
Yeah! Finally!
Just boat flipping, babe. When he tries to jump, just pull him in the boat. Oh, wait, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh. Nice. Nice job. Brittany just landed a stud, you guys. Absolute stud. Nice job, babe.
Thank you, baby.
Not. Fish. She's got a fish on, guys. She's got a nice... Is he nice?
He's something.
I still haven't even seen him yet, babe. Oh, no, it's not a walleye. Pike minnow. Fish, babe, fish. I don't know if it's big or not. It's nice. Why isn't this thing strip and drag? You don't want to go. You don't want to go.
I just want to get in his way.
right, guys, a very, very beautiful smallmouth.
How are they coming off?
Big smallie, babe. Nice smallie. Holy shit on the X-Wrap jerk bait. Guys, I just caught my nice smallie on the X-Wrap jerk bait. X-Wrap. Beautiful, beautiful smallmouth bass, you guys. Beautiful smallmouth bass. This thing's right around 18, 19 inches again. Love catching these fatties. Oh my goodness. Damn, that one hit it hard. It's a jerkbait fish, babe. He smashed it. It's a big smallmouth, baby. It's a huge smallmouth. You ready, babe? That's the biggest smallmouth I've caught in a while. What's going on, guys? I just caught this absolute freaking behemoth bass right here. Smashed the Rapala X-Wrap. That is an absolute donkey. Huge fish. He's got a bull face on him. That's the fattest bass I've caught ever. He's huge. Guys, oh my gosh, 4-pound smallmouth bass, maybe 4.5. He's got craws in his belly and he's fat. Guys, you see that? Yeah, it's a craw.
Stop moving your hand.
Guys, it's a crawfish. He's still moving around. He's got a full crawfish. The name for smallmouth bass comes from the fact that the rear end of the lower jaw doesn't extend past the eye, while the jaw on the largemouth bass does. Smallmouth bass are sometimes overshadowed by their largemouth counterparts, but they are still easily one of the most popular sports fish species in North America. They're easy to find, with an expansive range and some of the most aggressive fish out there, hungry for all sorts of baits and lures. Because of that aggressive nature and strong fight, smallmouth bass are targeted by fishermen. Otherwise, they are typically one of the top predators in their ecosystem and don't face many threats other than big pike and bigger bass. Oh my god, no way. That was so fucking cool. Oh my god. He's barely hooked, babe. He's barely hooked. Dude, that was so sick. Guys, what's going on? So this is a jerkbait slammer smallie. They're smashing on shad right now. I haven't caught jerkbait fish really ever, and these couple of big ones, man, they're just awesome. We're gonna get this fatty back in the water. We're gonna keep going after them, see if they'll still bite. Thank you, my bud, for everything. Woo! All right. They're coming up under it. They didn't take it though. Oh, wow. What's up, bud? I think I can flip this one. Thank you, bud. You're a chunk. All right. Guys, What's going on? So today happened to be a very awesome day out on the water. Tons of jerkbait smashes on that X wrap. Today was the first day where I had repetitive like smashes, like 5. Yesterday or 2 days ago, I landed 1 each day. So it's been consistent and it's getting more consistent. We got the fall bite coming up in 1 month. It's gonna be September. That kind of takes off till about October, but it's already kind of starting right now. We're finding fish. We're catching a lot of fish right now. It's awesome. I think we landed probably maybe 35 smallmouth this week. So that was amazing. The new setup, guys, this new casting deck, having the depth staying right around 24 feet. I don't know, it's just been awesome. Long Lake, Spokane, so that's the lake we're fishing, and it's amazing. We love it. Fall's coming around the corner. We've got 4 weeks till we can sling an arrow into a buck, hopefully. Stay tuned for the next banger. If you're a subscriber and you watch our videos, I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We love fishing. We love it too. See you guys.